1. Unzip the cover. 2. Flip up the cover. 3. Undo the straps. 4. Open the arm one side completely. 5. Lock the rope ratchets. 6. Tighten the rope. 7. Do the same as step 5, step 6. We offer accessories. If you need them, send us message. Eight. Slide the beam of the storage bag into the rail. 9. Slide 2 power bank bags in the rail. 10. Set up the poles. 11. Plug the power bank to light up the lights. 270 Awning Plus is set up already.